Okay, let's talk anti-aging and facial rejuvenation. I'll tell you straight out, I'm a medical dermatologist. I don't do a lot of cosmetic things, but my patients do, and they come back, and here's some feedback I've gotten from my patients over the last 10 years. So what products work well for anti-aging? In my opinion, not much has changed in 20 years, to be honest. There's a lot of really niche, expensive products out there, stem cell repair, DNA repair. Like, I don't want any of these cosmetic companies repairing my DNA or doing anything with my DNA. And the boring advice is don't smoke, wear your sunscreen, use a vitamin C in the morning, maybe some hyaluronic acid, use a glycolic acid wash or a glycolic peel every once in a while, use a retinol at night, and maybe take some oral niacinamide or nicotinamide. It's been shown to prevent skin cancer, and it does help some people's complexions. There are a lot of other products out there that people will try to sell you, but if you don't have those basic building blocks in place for your anti-aging program, well, you're just stepping over dollars to get to pennies. For pigmentation issues, I still like hydroquinone. I know everybody's down on it, but it works, and I can look people in the eye and say, this will work. I also like oral tranexamic acid and topical tranexamic acid. The licorice root, the kojic acid, all this other stuff, it works to a degree, but most people want results. When it comes to facial redness, I like Intense Pulse Light or IPL, or topical Mirvaso or Rofate, or have them compounded at a pharmacy on the cheap. For oily skin, I like OC8 mattifying gel. For dark circles around the eyes, I've never found anything that actually works and is going to be worth your money. Same for creams that supposedly lift your neck. Go see a plastic surgeon. Facial fillers are wonderful. Just make sure you go to somebody that knows what they're doing. All the neurotoxins like Botox are fantastic as well to help prevent wrinkles. But once you have like a real big old wrinkle in there, like a big Mark Wahlberg right there, it's not going to do anything. So anybody that tells you they're going to make your deep wrinkles go away with Botox or another neurotoxin, go somewhere else. When it comes to energy-based devices, I like microneedling with radiofrequency. I also like carbon dioxide lasers, and I like IPL for general readiness and discoloration, the browns and the reds on your skin. I'm not saying there aren't other lasers that will do great things for you, but just keep in mind, no laser does everything perfectly well. You have to define what your goals are and make sure you're getting the right laser to meet that goal. PDO threads are pretty cool. It's just a question of how long they're actually going to last. I almost bought an oral therapy machine about 10 years ago. I'm really happy I didn't, because I've seen so many unsatisfied people who were told they're going to get this radio frequency facelift, and then it falls in 6 months. If you remember nothing else, remember this: any jackass can buy a laser and pretend they know what they're doing with it. Even if someone owns a laser, doesn't mean they know what they're doing. It is 100% buyer beware out there. Okay, this isn't a complete list. It's just what comes to mind right now. I wish everybody well. Take care.